Video 268, tile brush controls. Let's take a look here. So now we can lay different tile values by pressing the square key, the square bracket key, and we can set different tile values. And then as a review, the plus and minus keys change the size of the tile we're laying down here. And the smaller tiles render in the front of the larger tiles. Let's look at the code. The material colors constants in the top level macro section, we fixed this. This had a transparent alpha. Fixed it, and then we just did a whole bunch of little tweaks to all these different color values. I'm not about to read off hex values for you, so you'll have to check out the code to look at these. The default tile value loaded into your brush is now going to be 1 because that's a sane choice inside of the Eddy Game Editor object within the Eddy Game Data section. In KeyMass down editor, so the down event for keyboard master, here is going backwards through the tile brush values and stopping at 0. Here is going forward through the tile brush values and stopping at 0. And they were in the sections for the forward square brace and the backward square brace. And we wrote this code back in 151 and left a slot open for ourselves to write this other code. So cool. Here's what we did previously. Here's footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. You are on this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.